So what you can also do with your YouTube Studio account is that you can link it with various desktop video publishing softwares. For example, I'm going to take Adobe Premiere Rush right here, and here you can see that YouTube is an option for linking. And if I were to go around over here, then what I can do is I can go around and sign in onto my YouTube account by using this option. So once I try to sign in, then this is what pops up. It says choose your account or brand account right here. So I'm just going to go around and select my brand account of example videos channel right here. And it is asking whether it can manage your YouTube account or not. So Adobe Rush is a trustworthy software. So I'm just going to go around and click on allow right here. And once that happens, what happens is that now your Premiere Rush is linked with YouTube Studio right here. And in my Adobe Rush page now, you can see that YouTube is an option, as you can see right here, and then it has been linked. So I have been linked to the example video channel right here. So now what I can do from over here is I can go around, edit out a video that I may have, and I can go around over here onto the share section, and you can see that there are YouTube options right here. Like I can access my playlist, I can go around, add in a title, a description, I can set the privacy right here, I can add in tags, even schedule it and so forth right here, just like this, and then click on export. So once you do that, what happens is that whatever editing that I did right here, what happens is that it is processed and then it is saved out right here. But I actually saved it right here. So let me just go around, turn on YouTube right here and export it. And you can see that now what happens is that I can publish it and upload it directly to YouTube. So that is what you can do as well. And you can link your YouTube Studio account with different desktop publishing softwares, and Adobe Premiere Rush is only one of them right here. So you can see that now it has been uploaded. And if I were to go around onto my YouTube Studio, onto the content now, then what happens is that, let me just go around and refresh this, the video should be there. You can see that the video is here now. So this is what I uploaded from Adobe Premiere Rush. And that is how you can use desktop softwares to upload directly to YouTube, as long as it is supported by connecting your YouTube Studio account to the desktop software of your choice. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.